Online arbitrage is going to change forever tomorrow. If you do not know it yet, tomorrow we are having a live masterclass in which I'm going to share stuff about selling on Amazon, on how to actually scale your business and what you should actually do in 2025 to scale your Amazon FBA business doing online arbitrage that I have never shared before online, except with some of my coaching groups, right? So there's actually a link in the description for you to join. Tomorrow, Sunday, December 8th at 6 p.m., we are going to have this live masterclass. So if you want to join, by the way, you can win $100. So if I were you, I would actually join. There's a link below, right? Just enter your email. You're going to receive a confirmation email with the time and the link to join. You will receive the link to actually join the masterclass tomorrow. All right, as well, before the masterclass starts. All right. So if I were you, I would go right below this. Okay. You see that my eyes are red because I'm working on actually scaling my business this Q4. I'm working on building this for you, and I'm going to share with you a couple of my best products that I have ever sold. If you actually join the mentorship, right? Or if you join the live masterclass. So you have $100 to win. You will learn how to actually scale your business with the ever-changing Amazon bullshit that they throw at us. So if I were you, I would join. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. I just wanted to tell you this today. Hopefully you have a great Q4. If you have, come on the live masterclass. You can keep scaling your business past Q4. If you are not having a great Q4, you should actually join. All right? So at least Q1 can be great for you. So I'll see you tomorrow in the live masterclass. Thank you for watching.